Get it, Scoon, get it. So, there's a bird in the chimney, right? And you know my dog here is Schooner, right? Well, for some reason, this bird likes to toy with my dog. Like, not in, like, the mean, annoying way. Like, the bird hates my dog, but, like, do you see the bird back there? The bird's, like, trying to hide. But then, if I go sit up on the couch for maybe a good 2 minutes, like, look, you could obviously, go on, get it, Scoon, get it. Get it, Scoon, get it. See, he sees the bird in there, like he wants it. Scoon, you can't have it. Get it. Look, watch him go nuts for it. Get it. Get it, Scoon, get it. He's going nuts for the bird. Like, see, like, look. He's going nuts. Scoon, come here. Nope, Scoon, come here. Come here. So, look. Like, he's like, he doesn't know what it is. He's, like, kind of weird and curious right now. Yeah, I know. You want to go get the bird. He just really doesn't know what to do right now. He really wants the bird. Like, see, who could think that a little dog like this can go after a huge bird that's the size of his head? Yeah. Yesterday, I made a video. Today, I made 2 videos. But I don't know why. Like, I even threw in a piece of bread for it, and look. You think something so innocent like a dog like this would not do a thing. Apparently, he does not care. Come on. What's that? What's that? Thinks it's a toy. But, look. If I just sit here for a good minute. See, look. He goes up after it. Like, who thinks something this cute could find something that small and ugly? Like, if my dog even came up, Scoon. I give him. He even tried to eat that. That thing would just scratch him anyways. But hey, come on, Scoon. Come on. Look at that. Look. Over here. Look. You can see the bird. He wants me to take out the bird, but I can't. See? Bird in the chimney. Look what he does. Get it, Scoon, get it. Get it. He won't get it when it's far back, though. Because he doesn't know what to do. And now he's going. Oh, yeah, that's a spot now, ain't it? So, you see, like, look at him. You wouldn't think something this cute would even go after that, but nope. He thinks it's a toy. He thinks the bird's a chew toy, apparently, but in like a good minute, it's gonna come out again. So, yeah. Look. If I just zoom in there, you see that little bit of movement up in the very top right corner? That's the bird. Oh, and I'm sorry if it's not so good of a quality video. But look, as soon as I go over, the bird just freezes. Because it's not sure what I am, so like, see? Just freezes. Now, I did not go and catch this. But seriously, I don't know what to do here. Well, we already know what to do. Someone's coming to get him out of there. But, like, seriously, it's a bird in the chimney. Funny part is, Scooter really thinks it's a toy. And we really don't know what to do about it. Like, look. See, it, like, freezes. Still. Like, look, it doesn't even move. Don't even blink. It just... Then look. See, like, hold that now. Let me just zoom in a bit. See it? It's breathing, and you can tell it is a real bird because it's blinking only a teeny tiny bit, though. Plus, there's tons of dust in there because it is a fireplace. And I wouldn't be surprised if that bird... Let me find a clean spot here. That bird right